Once upon a time, there was a man whose stories traveled across the whole world. Some call him Juha, and some call him Nasreddin Hodja. But before we start his amazing story today, welcome to Daily Tales. If you love stories that make you laugh and think, please subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Your support helps us tell more daily tales every day. Our story begins on a very busy morning. Nasreddin Hodja looked at his young son and said, "My son, the house is empty. We need to go to the market to buy food. We will take our donkey with us." The cause of their journey was simple. They needed to work. They started walking happily. Nasreddin walked, the son walked, and the donkey walked behind them. They felt relaxed. The sun was warm, and everything was perfect. But soon, the results of their actions started to appear through the eyes of others. First, they passed some girls. The girls whispered, "Look, why are they walking? The donkey is empty." "That is so stupid." Nasreddin wanted to be logical. Result, he put his son on the donkey. 10 minutes later, they passed a group of old men. One man shouted, "Look at that lazy boy. He rides while his old father walks." What a bad result of modern parenting. Nasreddin wanted to show respect. Result, he swapped places. Now he was riding, and the son was walking. Then they passed a group of travelers. A woman cried out, "How heartless! A big man riding while the small boy suffers in the heat." Nasreddin wanted to be kind. Result, both of them climbed onto the donkey's back. When they reached the entrance of the city, the biggest shock happened. A large crowd gathered around them. They weren't laughing. They were angry. "Stop!" a man screamed. "This is animal cruelty. Look at the poor donkey's legs. They are shaking. You two are too heavy. This is a disaster." Nasreddin and his son jumped off the donkey immediately. They were shocked. They tried to please everyone, but everyone was still attacking them. Now, Nasreddin felt a deep sense of stress and anxiety. His heart was beating fast. He looked at his son, and the boy was almost crying. "Father," the boy whispered with anxiety, "what should we do? If we walk, they laugh. If I ride, they get angry. If you ride, they call us cruel. If we both ride, they call us monsters. I am scared to move." The pressure was huge. Nasreddin felt the tension of the crowd's eyes. He stood in silence for a moment, thinking deeply. The atmosphere was very heavy. Suddenly, Nasreddin's eyes brightened. He found the path to success. He didn't get angry. He used his wit. He went to a nearby tree, cut a strong branch, and tied the donkey's legs to it. "Son," he said firmly, "help me." They lifted the donkey on their shoulders and carried it. The crowd was silent for a second. Then they started laughing. Nasreddin walked with his head held high. He wasn't stressed anymore. He was successful because he realized how crazy it is to follow everyone's opinion. They put the donkey down at the market. Nasreddin hugged his son and said, "Today, we succeeded in learning the greatest lesson. Success is not about making everyone happy. Success is about doing what you know is right and being confident." The boy smiled, his anxiety gone. They bought their food and walked home, ignoring everyone's comments. Thank you for watching this story on Daily Tales. Did you learn something today? Tell us in the comments. Have you ever tried to please everyone? Don't forget to like and share.